back with another GCSS-A helpful video, and today we're on part 9 of our Access Administrative series with maintaining substitutions by position number. So if you looked at the previous video, I showed you guys how to maintain substitution by the personnel number. So in this video, we're going to actually maintain a substitution by the position number that's outlined in your FE template. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, hit that bell, be notified when new videos are published. And without further ado, let me share my screen. Let's jump into GCSS-A. All right, so just like the previous video, all you can do is go to maintain substitutions. All right, so instead of personnel number, you're going to go to position number. All you're going to do is type in your position number. You're going to hit execute, and it'll be for master driver. You're going to hit execute. So if you look, there's two people here, myself and another, that have been substituted for the master driver role. All right, so this is pretty easy. Just like the previous video, all you do is highlight. You can go up here and edit. You can extend this up to 365 days from the previous, as long as it don't break the segregation of duty rule in 72 hours. All right, so all we're gonna do, if you need to delete, you're just gonna hit the delete button, delete substitution. You're gonna hit yes, save, go back, and then once you go back into it, they're gone. Their substitution is no longer valid. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. Like I said, we're only on part 9 of our series. We have a lot more videos coming out for Access Administrator. We're going to start getting into our maintain personnel. Let me go ahead and share my screen one last time, and I'll show you some of the videos that we are currently working on here. Right? All right, I hope you all can see this. So far the black is what we've done so far. So we finished the substitution videos. We're getting ready to run or go into the maintain personnel. So these are the videos that are currently coming. Then from there, we're going to talk about the mass transfers, the personnel actions, how to rehire, onboard, outboard, so forth. And then finally finish up with the yearly reaffirmation, teaching you guys how to, what paperwork is needed, the appointment orders, assumption of command, your SARs, and actually how to upload all that stuff in your GCSS-A. So I hope this video was helpful. Hope to see you around for the next video couple days. And as always, go Ordnance.